Education Secretary Sara Duterte Carpio. Collaborative learning is a brainstorming ideas, shared discussion with a focused group discussion, and think, pair, share. And this is during activities. And according also to my source of our former Senator and President Department of Education Secretary Sani Angara, in active learning, there is a hands-on or manipulatives in a real-life situation, simulations or experiments, and it is doing in whenever necessary. And last but not the least, according to the news of Alan Domingo from Palitang Vista, he interviewed Regional Director Dr. Salustiano Jimenez, and he said, inquiry-based approach is exploration, asking questions, investigation, and research in every class this session. Good morning.